Hello everyone, I welcome you to this wonderful tutorial of Crash 1000 Index strategy. This is an unbeatable strategy. It will help you make money on this. Guys, I'm not joking on this. This is not like any other video you find on YouTube. This is the real video, guys. This strategy I'm going to show you on this video, guys, it's a strategy that will change your life forever. Yeah, it's a strategy that will change your life forever. I'm supposed to say this strategy, but I'm giving it out to you all for free. Yeah, of course, I'm giving it out to you all for free. So all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button. Just show some appreciation, guys. Just show some appreciation. We are doing well for you guys. Like, we take our time, we give you strategies, Forex success. So show some appreciation by subscribing only to this channel. Give the video a thumbs up and share the video to your friends so that it can also reach out to them. Share the video, give it a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time we drop a new video. You can follow us on our Instagram and Telegram. We are there for you guys. So quickly, let's go to this strategy. Guys, you won't lose again. You won't lose again using this strategy. I know what I'm talking about. You won't lose again using this strategy. It's a very simple strategy. You use it to buy Crash 1000 Index. You only buy Crash 1000 Index with this strategy. I didn't make mention of Boom. I didn't make mention of Crash 500. I only said you will use this strategy only to buy Crash 1000 Index. Okay, good to go. You need just one indicator for this strategy. So you click on the indicator tab. Guys, please pay attentive. Stay attentively, guys, so that you will understand the strategy that I'm showing you. Please, I need you to be very serious right now. Your concentration, don't skip any part of this video, because if you skip, you just lose all the information I'm dropping. Seriously, if you skip any part, you will lose the information I'm dropping. So nice one, guys. Please, let's do this together. I really want you all to make money, and that's why we're coming up with the strategies to show you so you can make money, guys. I've been using this and it's good. So you just need one indicator, like I said, the average true range. Yeah, the average true range. I believe a lot of you haven't used this indicator before. Yeah, so for the average true range, you see the period, the first point, the period. You need to set your period on period 14. Good. You set it on period 14. Then you get to the levels. Let me clean this, delete the levels. So if you want to add levels, you click on add level. Then you just add 2. Cleaning this. Add 2. The style, make it 2 pixels. The color, make it green, blue, as you can see. Click save and you click done. You see that, guys? Okay, I'm coming. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, I didn't explain the style. The style, you can use this color and make it 1 pixel. You save and you done. Simple strategy, just like this. So now, guys, how does this strategy work? How can you buy Boom? How can you buy Crash 500 with this strategy? Look at it. First of all, I'll talk about the time frame. The strategy works only on 1 minute time frame. Only on 1 minute time frame. As you can see, I'm using the 1 minute time frame now. Only on 1 minute time frame. Please, guys, you make money to the glory of God with this strategy. Just listen. Yeah, just listen. As you listen, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, that's good. And drop good comments. Drop good comments. Show appreciation. That'll make me want to share more strategies with you guys. Yeah, drop good comments. Because this is somebody that's giving you this stuff for free, guys. A lot of traders are selling their strategies. But in Forex Success, we don't sell strategies. We give it out for free. Because, like, we need to show affection to the world. That's love. We got to show love to the world. Of course. So I believe we're making impact. We're changing people's life. You can see a lot of testimonies of people using our strategies to make money, buy cars. That's it. Forex Success. So, guys, this strategy right now, what you need to do, first thing, put your time time frame, on the 1 minute time frame. The next thing, take your zoom level to the first zoom level, which is this that it currently is now. This is the first zoom level, not the second, not the third like we use in our previous strategy, but we are using the first zoom level right now. Guys, I will just use this face, this surface right now to show example of this strategy. Remember, this is what you need to do. If you observe, guys, each time there is a spike, trace it down. I want you to trace it down with me. Each time there is a spike, you trace it down to this, trace the spike down to this red line. You can see to this red line. As you trace it down to this red line, I know the color is not red, but I'll call it red. So you trace the spike down to this red line. You can see when the spike came, it pushed the red line to the upside, right? Good. And if you watch carefully, oh, we got another spike again. Perfect. Guys, this is a perfect opportunity for me to use this strategy for you. So what I will do right now, like I said, we are buying. Let me double my lot size to 5. Like I said, we are buying with this strategy. So now I just got the condition that I need to buy. I'll explain it. So now I've placed a buy. Good. I've placed a buy with 5 lot size. I just got the condition that I need to place a buy. So what is the condition? As you can see, you see that this is this blue line here, using the levels that will set on the area indicator. So what you need to watch out for, this red line cross above this green line. Once it's above the green line, you can place a buy. Take away 6 candles on your buy, and then you take profit. You are done. Each time it spikes, look at it, it spikes at this point and another spike. That's when this red line moved above this. That's when the red line moved above this 2 level, this blue line. So then you can place a buy. Look at it. You take 6 candles, you get off the market. Guys, 6 candles is a big amount of money, you know. So at this point again, it crossed above this line. Look at it. Guys, we are trading this, we're using this strategy, we're testing it now live. So you can see that it's really working. No cap, guys, it's really working. Look, at this point, it crossed above it. You take 6 candles, sorry. You take 6 candles, you're off. If you're using 1 lot size, a candle will bring 50 cents. So if you are trading with 1 lot size, that's 6 candles, you have $3 in each candle. So this one that I'm using 5 lot size right now, guys, I will definitely be getting, that is 0. Like that would be $3 times 6, right? Since since $1 will bring 1 lot size will bring $3, definitely 5 lot size will be giving me $15 after, it will be giving me $16 after the 6 candles, of course, because it will be $3 times 6, which is $18. So we'll be getting $18 for the 6 candles. Guys, the strategy is good, no loss. Look at it, it's on $6. So by $18, which is after 5 candles, after 6 candles, I'll be taking profit. You don't need to be greedy, because you will always look at it. This is from a period of, look at the time frame. This is March 7th, right? Sorry, 2nd of March, from 7 o'clock, what's the correct time now, to 12 o'clock. Look at the opportunities you had. 1, 2, count with me, guys, 3, 4, 5, 6 opportunity from 7 to 12, which is for 5 hours. You had 6 opportunities to take this thing. And as I'm using $5 now, imagine this is 18, another $18, $18 times 6 times. $18 times 6 times, that's money, guys. I'm just showing you with 5 lot size. So if I'm using a lot size of 10, or I'm taking 5 different positions with a lot size of 10, that is about, guys, that's money. That's about 36 times 5. You get 36 times 5. Guys, there is no limit to how much you can make with this strategy. You don't lose with it. Just follow the rules, and that's all you need to do. Follow the rules and you make money with the strategy. Of course, you make money with the strategy when you follow the rules. Remember what I said. Allah, it's only you are permitted to buy when this red line cross above from the previous spike. When the spike occur, you get this red line pushed to the upside. So at this point, the red line pushed to the upside as a result of this spike. Please trace it for me, guys. As a result of this first spike here, the red line moved to the upside. But did it reach this 2 level? No. So you don't dare enter that one. And again, another spike. Did it reach the 2 level? No. So you don't enter. The last one reached the 2 level. So this is when you enter, you take off your 6 candles. When you're greedy, take off your 6 candles and you're out of it. So let's see how many candles we've taken now. Starting from where we entered, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're at the 5th candle right now. Then the last, remember guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're waiting for the last candle right now. So as soon as the last candle is completed, we are off the market. You wait again for another condition. You won't lose again with this strategy. Look at it. Look at this first part. The first part, it happened. If you are to enter here, you take your 5 candles, your 6 candles, you close. And again, you see another condition here. Take your 6 candle, you close. And again, take your 6 candle. Look at it. Look at this first point. It didn't reach this 2 level. The next spike reached the 2 level. And then you take your profit. 5, 6 candles and go. This one again, at this point, look at this spike. It didn't reach the 2 level. You can see this way end. Then it brought one candle, then another spike, which went above the 2 level. Then you take your 6 candle, you're good to go. And again, at this point, so guys, I think we've gotten our 6 candles. So we take our profit. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles completed. What do we do now? We take profit. Good. Simple strategy. You take profit. So whether it's gonna continue going to the upside, it's none of your business. That's when that's when greed comes in. When you feel like, had it been I know, I'll leave it, it will still be going to the upside. That's the same way you will regret when it spikes. Then you regret like, had it been I know, I would have taking the profit. So in order to avoid regret, obey the rules. Take it after 6 candles, guys. It will never give you any lose during trade. You will never lose with this strategy. Look at it. Look at it again. At this point, it spiked above, right? You take your 6 candles. Take your 6 candles. You're good. Let's zoom this out. You can see it's more than 6 candles. You enter the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. You can see you take your profit and then you're good. You're good just like that. So each 5 lots that I used brings $3 per candle. $3 per candle. So if you are getting 6 candles, you are getting $18 for each entry, that each time that you enter the market. So before I continue, guys, to open a derivative account so that you can trade synthetic indices, that's where you can find crash and boom, volatility indices, step index. The link is at the description below. Click on the link to open an account. And also, if you want a trading robot to trade Forex for you and get 45% profit monthly, no loss, it is good, guys. I'm also using it. Yeah, of course it's good. You can click on the link also and open an account with IPC. It is very legit. So open an account with our recommended broker. The link is also at the description below. We'll have the monitor market, the Octa FS, and the FBS. They are all good, guys, for you. Fast deposit and withdrawal, no time, no very low fees for you for commissions and others. They are very good. You can use them and make money for yourself. Guys, this is the strategy I brought to you today. Look at this point. Nothing like loss. All you need to do is follow the rules. As far it goes above this 2 level, you can take it. Look, the spike went above it. This last spike went above it. You will take your 6 candles. You relax. Guys, listen to this. I used the 5 lot size. And I made with one candle was $3. So you are getting $16 with 5 lot size. If for these 5 hours you are able to get 16 times 5 is almost $80 for that day. This is just a tutorial and I use just one lot size. So imagine you are open 5 times 4, which is 20 lot size. You are getting $16 times 4 guys, which is that is 66. Yeah, that's $66 for each one. So if eventually in the whole day you were able to just catch about 4, $66 times 4, that's about $200. That's about $200 up to $240 in a day with this powerful strategy. And the good thing about it, you can use it for small account. You start using small lot size according to the size your account can open. You can use for small accounts. You start using it according to the size your account can open. Then from there, you keep on growing, increasing lot size, increasing money, increasing your capital. Guys, this strategy is good. So once again, this is Forex Success. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop new strategies. Of course, we're gonna be dropping new strategies for you guys. And make sure you follow us on Instagram and Telegram. The group is at the link is at the description. Of course, it's at the description. So thank you guys. Drop good comments. I really want to see good comments. And this Forex Success, let's move this channel to the next level. Let's take it to 30,000 subscribers, guys. Let's take it to 30,000 subscribers, of course. So make sure you don't watch this video without subscribing. Don't leave this channel without subscribing. Of course, I trust you and I know you do it. So subscribe. We'll give you good strategies. Thank you.